Hello everyone, this is Nisha and today you will learn about one view perspective drawing. One view perspective drawing creates an illusion and depth on a surface. Perspective drawing is also known as a vanishing point. Right now I'm going to show you some real-time images. This picture is of a market where everything comes in between with the vanishing point. The other one, the third, and the fourth. And right now, I will be doing the sketches. What that means is we are going to have one point on our paper where things are going to come together to look like they're vanishing or disappearing. So the first thing I want to do is I'll create an X on the paper. So you can use your scale, but I use my hands for this because I believe in freehand drawing. This will be our vanishing point. So I will make two sides, one side with trees and the other side with some buildings. So this will be our sideway or sidewalk. Just drag it down. This will come as closer because that will be our vanishing point. Same under this side. I will make some trees, some random trees. I will make sure not to cross this line. I will make some more trees from bigger to smaller. More trees. You can make the trees according to your style. I am doing as simple as I could. I will make the trees till this point as smaller as I could. The trees are done. Now I will make a building. So for the building, I will take a point on this side. I will drag it down. So basically we don't want this line, so I'm gonna rub this one. Now we'll follow the same step here. will just do one point here. So it's up to me how I want the building. So I'm going to put this here, pull it down, well, this is the easiest perspective. There are more. So I'm gonna keep making buildings up till this point. Make again. Okay, I'm gonna make a river. Just a small, just go through it in river. I will define this later. For example, from this point, I want a door here. So I will place the door. Windows. Then keep making. Also make this one. I will make a roof here. I will just make a point in the middle, scratch it upwards, make a V and join this line. Then same with this one. So basically we don't want this line, so you can just rub it, erase it. So just make the roof. I'm using the darker pencil so that you could just see through the lenses. So I'm done with this one, but I will be making more darker and I'm gonna show you. So this is the whole thing. I just did it. You can color it if you want to. And yes, it's done. The easiest perspective drawing. Thank you.